Flaxseed is a great ingredient for natural hair. It contains vitamin E, which is really beneficial to hair growth. But after preparing our flaxseed gel, sometimes we do not know what to do with the leftover seeds. In today's video, I'm going to show you an amazing way that you can use your leftover flax seeds to also boost your hair growth. You all know natural ingredients have been part of my hair growth journey ever since I did my big chop. And now my hair is flourishing. Flax seeds makes detangling my hair so much easier and also boosts my hair growth. So if you really want to know how I use this, make sure you are watching to the end. Let's do this. Hello beautiful people, welcome or welcome back. So aside the many benefits of flax seeds to the natural hair, I love it because it's easy to find and very inexpensive. And did you know that giving this video a thumbs up is actually free of charge? So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up right now. And if you are new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. On this channel, I do a whole lot of DIYs that can help boost your hair growth. I also do simple hairstyle tutorials. And here are moms, I got you. I do kids hairstyle tutorials too. So you see, it's always jamming on here. Make sure to join us. Okay, so if you've been following me for some time, you will know how to prepare flax seeds by now. It's very easy and simple to prepare. You just put your flax seeds in a pot like so, then you add some water to it. If you want it thicker, you add less water. If you want it a little looser, you add more water. You boil it for about 15 minutes, and this is the tip. Make sure you're always straining your flaxseed gels while it's still hot, because if you allow it to cool down, it's going to thicken up, and straining it is going to be hard. Alright, this is the main deal. So after getting your flaxseed gel like so, what are we going to do with the leftover flax seeds? Let me show you how you can use this to boost your hair growth. You're going to put it in a blender like so, and you're going to add some water to it and blend it away like no one's business. But here is the trick. Do not add too much water at a go. You're going to add the water in bits. So you add a little bit of water, then after blending, you add more water to it like so. Because it's kind of, tough to blend it, but if you have a very strong blender, you're going to blend it away. So this is what I was able to blend, and I'm going to strain it. Alright, so just take your time to strain it, and I'm going to show you how to use this. And hey, if you're still watching this video to this point, I know you are really enjoying it because I had so much fun filming it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs like these, you will be notified. Alright, so at this point, feel free to use any conditioner of your choice. I am using Cream of Nature sulfate-free conditioner, but you don't have to go around to the store buying the same thing. Just use what works for you. The main ingredient is the flax seed. And at this point, I'm going to add my castor oil. Castor oil can boost hair growth. It can moisturize dry hair and also help prevent hair breakages. So you just add a little bit to it. Then after that, you're going to add some organic olive oil. Olive oil is really great for the natural hair. It is lightweight, so it's easily absorbed into the hair strands. It can add some shine to the hair, prevent dandruff, and also boost hair growth. So after having everything together like so, you just mix it all in. And this is what we have in now. I'm going to show you the best way to use this to boost your hair growth. So make sure you're watching to the end. Before using this treatment, make sure your hair is washed. After that, just apply the treatment into your hair. You're going to use it to detangle your hair by starting with your fingers. Then after that, you go in with the wide tube comb. Did you know that flax seeds can also be used in smoothies? It's really good for your health. It can also be used to clear acne. Let me know whether you've used flax seeds in any way, whether in your hair, for your smoothies, or on your skin. Please comment below. I would love to hear from you. Alright, so after applying it to your hair like so, you detangle it. Then after that, you put it in a twist to retain the moisture. It's always great to work in sections. That way, every part, every corner, every section of your hair will get the treatment, okay? So you first use your hand to detangle it. You apply the product. Use your wide tube comb to comb through it. Then you move on to the next section. There are so many ways that you can use flax seeds to boost your hair growth. You can use it by itself as a gel. You can also add some natural ingredients like rosemary, ginger, cloves, or any natural ingredient of your choice. This is going to help maximize its benefits, and I have so many videos of how to use flaxseed. So make sure to stop by my videos and check my other videos on flax seeds. Flax seeds can improve the overall health of your hair and prevent hair breakages. It can also improve blood circulations in your scalp and help boost hair growth. So make sure you're adding flax seeds to your hair care regimen. After applying everything, just cover your hair with a shower cap for an hour. Then after that, just rinse it off with lukewarm water. Then go ahead to moisturize your hair. Thank you so much for watching this video, and make sure to watch the video you see on your screen right now.